Wow, wow, wow. It's been quite a week. I'm excited to bring you today's episode, which is centered on my dating app profile. I have some fun and juicy updates for you. I am feeling so much more comfortable saying I'm not feeling a connection to a potential suitor. I want to clarify that I'm on Bumble, Hinge, and the League. And I'll tell you, there's not a lot of space for all your stuff, which means every word matters. Okay, now my big reveal. Over these 7 pages, I have done my best to share who I am and what I'm looking for. And I found myself, after my last review of the 3 apps, feeling, pretty deflated. I have really specific, and I'll say high, criteria and standards because I know who I am. So, okay, little reframe here.